We are going to create a database, so first type localhost, open it and click PHP admin. wait until dashboard of PHP comes. So as you can see, dashboard is opened, and click on new. Database name is CRUD, create, and table name is CRUD Ops. As default, it is 4, and click go. Columns, 4 columns. And first, you see name, surname, age, age, and first write ID, and length is 8, and it is auto increment. And now type a name, var character, length is 30, and surname, as you can see, surname, and var character 30 length of various gender, age, and it is integer, and click on save, and length is 3. And as you can see, table is created, and as you can see on SQL, there is some codes it is learning. And now we are going to first create a connection from PHP to from SQL to PHP. And first we write PHP open code and write connection that con means connection, MySQL connect brackets local host is the host of the MySQL, root is the username of SQL, and the password, there is CRUD Ops, CRUD Ops, that database is CRUD. And write if connection doesn't work, variable connection doesn't work, echo all display failed to connect to database. And as you go to PHP and read Kenny, that the records we have written in the HTML code, in PHP code, and we are going to insert into database. ID equals 12, name is Kenny, and surname is Nyanshuti, age is 18 plus, and click go. Plus is not a variable, and if you refresh, there is no data is inserted, and click browse. It is started in database, but the problem is we didn't include our PHP in our PHP code. We didn't include connection, and as you can see, you first open PHP, and you put those include connection. As you can see, include connection, and refresh it. There's error, access root, localhost, password. Yes, we didn't. The on the line 2, the problem is there is no password we have entered. As you can see, there is no password in my ready database, and there is no data is inserted, as you can see. So let's move quickly and see the problem, and there is no change. Let's try again, and write required equal MySQL Kelly, and con is from that connection PHP file, and you type select all from CRUD Ops. The table name is CRUD Ops. Table name is CRUD Ops. You type CRUD Ops in small letters, and you close it, and we say if MySQL num laws required, that the variable required you entered equal 0, display no record. And errors while row equal MySQL fetch ASOC required. Let's see what's next, and you close PHP. As you can see, close PHP, and you open your write tiara and td, insert td on it, and we are going to display those datas from PHP. And the right name, because the name is the variable of where you are going to retrieve, yeah, and age where it will be retrieved. And right input in the table, of course, in the table data, and the right a health. In health you link that add.php, and you write allo and display id, and you write image back image. You first link images.pen.png. This will do update. That will do update. And there is error. You have to, and you close all of those, and you can see there is error on the line 26, which error if now the error is we forgot s, and as you can see the data is displaying, and make a copy, alt shift allo down, and use delete.php, and as you can see the image is trash, and it will appear on delete. See, and that as we have entered in the database automatically appear on our table that we have made, of course. Let's insert another user. Let's see if as you can see the other user has been inserted, and let's first you do delete. No need of using HTML codes. For you writing, you include your connection, and you, after including connection, you write id equal get. This will help, as I told you, get is for user can see the information that entered in the codes, in the codes. And the next line is required MySQL query connection, and you write delete from id, includes the table, the database, the table where id equal id, variable id. And if that is collect header location, our code will go to index.php. And as you can see, it is linked. And when you refresh and read, there is an error on line 4. CRUD doesn't exist, and we forgot, we use CRUD as database, but it is CRUD Ops, CRUD Ops. And let's refresh and see. On the line 5 there is error location. It is, we made a mistake. All of them goes to used in brackets. And let's see, and as you can see, no records. And the rate have worked. As you can see, the rate have worked. And let's goes to add new user. After that, we are going to work on add a new user. And first you write PHP, you open PHP, and after that you include that connection.php, because it will connect MySQL with our files. Yeah. And id, variable id equal get brackets and id equal id. And you write if you first required in MySQL query, use select, that you include that connection from dot connection, and you write select all from CRUD ops, where id equal variable id, and you close. After closing that, you write variable low MySQL num MySQL finish assoc, and you put variable required, and you write if I set bracket variable name, you put a variable name into that button, variable button. This will help. This is help to learn PHP code. That from adding. When you add this, if I set, will help to learn those runs to work. And if I set brackets variable name, and this symbols means, and surname, variable surname, and space, and as I told you, variable age equal required MySQL query. This will use connection, and update where CRUD ops, where the name equal variable name. Update CRUD ops set or use name equal variable name, and surname equal variable name as a name, and age equal variable age, and where id equal variable id. And after that you close that and write a variable required if is worked automatically locate as to index.php. And write message when does those line didn't work, this message will appear and will say please fill this field, and go to name, write value. This will help to display those information. Let's see the error. The error here is username, but it's surname here, and let's refresh and add the new Kenny enitre age 20, new user. You see, new user is here and he is in our table. Yeah, he is added in our table. So let's see when here is where you can update user, but it doesn't work because there's no PHP on it, and you can read Kenny and add the other user. So we are going to work on update. Now let's work on update. First you write you as usual you write a PHP lines, and you include a database by default, by all of by making your codes run. You have to include PHP connection.php, and id equal $_ get brackets id, and you write id. Let's first check if the update works, and write id and close the tag, and after that you write required equal MySQL _query, write connection equal select all from CRUD ops where id equal variable id. And you write low MySQL Lee underscore Finch assoc brackets variable required and close. After that, if brackets I set brackets $ underscore post bit button. You see that button you have created downwards on there. You will put that in those brackets, and you write extract post. You extract post and you close, and you write if I set brackets variable name and I set copy and paste. Good programmer use copy and paste. You write surname, and age, variable age, and you open and close, and you write required $required equal MySQL query brackets connection double quotes update CRUD ops set name equal variable name, and you write surname equal surname, and after that you add an age because age will be either updated, and you say where id equal variable id, then you close. Now we are going to locate that line. If it works, header brackets double quotes location index.php, and we close errors dollar message space equal unmodified user. And after that, you write errors and message equal please fill those fields. And you close. After that, you close. And after that, you go to state. When you click on update, you will see the header which says update user. So we are going to use that header. Automatically will show you the name of the user you are going to update, either name or surname or age. So we are going to write to first then low, variable low, and brackets name of the user that you are going to update, and close that line. And after that, you classify that error. That error will appear when you done that mistakes. This message or message error will be displayed by this line. So we are going to write if, and let's think what I am going to do. Yeah, let me think. After that, you write I set bracket, and that variable message you are going to work on. But this lines is not working because we didn't open PHP. Those lines will always they will not appear when you didn't open a PHP line. So we open a PHP line and write that code, and you, after opening PHP code, you paste that code you have copied, and you write equal. This equal will help to display, and after that you display that variable name message, and you will see that one we copy it and put it in that name. So this in the value on the value in the value, and you say after copying that, you paste in other inputs, and you see surname, and copy in the age and write age. So Let's see if our PHP code is learning. Let's update, add a new user, and let's add a new user to be able to update that user. And as you can see, user is inserted, and let's update a user. We have error on line 29. Let's find out that error. There is error. Let's see, let's find out the error. Yeah, the error is that let's see, I'm working on it. Sorry, this this is it is not sorry, this things let's see the error that we have closed. Let's see. We have many we have many codes closed brackets, and as you can see, we have other error on line 31. This one, let's find out also. We didn't close that one. Okay, so let's refresh, and as you can see, there is another error on 49 line. The error is we have a right double name here. Okay, let's refresh again, and as you see, there is no error. So as I told you, the KD is on the top of the header. As you can see, update user KD. So let's update that name KD and the right Kenny. As you can see, KD is updated, and they update to Kenny. KD is updated to Kenny. So let's delete the user and add a new user. Search, and surname is let's write Big Man. Yeah, Big Man is a good name, and the years is 13. And as you can see, user is added. So let's update him. Let's delete Big Man and the right. Let's write Ige, Serge Ige, and let's update age 11 years old. So as you can see, age is updated and surname is updated. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and let's meet again in other PHP project I'm working on, and find out other tutorials to see what they have done others. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day or night.